After the withdrawal of the US-led coalition force last August, Washington has imposed sanctions on Kabul's new rulers, freezing nearly $10 billion worth of assets of Afghanistan's central bank. The act has further worsened the country's smashed economy and forced many Afghans to migrate for livelihood.
We have nothing to eat. It is a daunting challenge, for which I left for Iran hopefully for 1 or 2 years, and then I will return home with full hands. I wish that Afghanistan would become a stable and prosperous country one day and our people do not need to go abroad.
Aid agencies say more than 22 million out of the 35 million population in Afghanistan are facing acute food shortages. Many infrastructures were destroyed during decades of war and the new administration is facing cash scarcity. While some are leaving the country, others, however, remain optimistic.
کدام که پگفتی نیه، کدام خطری نیه، تهدیدی نیه. آسوده‌ایم، چند وقت شده که حالا ریزی‌ها کمتر شده، قتل‌ها کمتر شده، این بعضی موضوعات اختلاف‌ها کمتر شده، حالا فعلا آرامیه مملکت، شکر.
تقریبا 1,000 توپیر به وی په خواصره ځکه مخکې 4,000 کسان 3,000 کسان تلل په اول کې نو خلک اوس پوه شوي دي چې په خارج مملکتو کې مې د کومه ګټه نه لاسته راوړنه نشته ده نو زیات کسان نه ځي اوس کم کسان ځي